Welcome to my channel, Katie Voice. Que Rongri.
When the cold winds blew back in February's air, our journey began, showing how much we care. The lower primary classes full of cheerful sound, where learning and laughter could always be found. We guided small hands through letters and sums, from the first morning bell till the last one that comes. We cherished each moment, we watched them all grow. The seeds of great knowledge we happily did sow. In the warmth of the spring, the term swiftly flew, until the month of June, when the examination drew. A half-yearly check to see all they had known, the progress they made on the effort we'd shown. Oh, a whole happy year spent with children so dear. Their smiles and their questions banished every fear. From February start to the finals grand pace, we built up their future in this comforting space. Now the chapters are closed and the learning is through, a moment of rest for me and for you. Then came sweet July with its sunshine so bright. Summer vocation began, filling hearts with delight. A rest for the students, a time to explore, before coming back ready to learn even more. The months quickly passed, the autumn leaves fell, preparing for the end with a triumphant bell. The final examination arrived in November, the last big assessment they all must remember. Oh, a whole happy year spent with children so dear. Their smiles and their questions banished every fear. From February start to the finals grand pace, we built up their future in this comforting space. Now the chapters are closed and the learning is through, a moment of rest for me and for you. Now the cold grips the land, it is December. Sweet call, winter vocation has come, a break for us all. It's time for the students to run to their own, to the parents who wait by the love they have shown. And for us, the dear teachers, our work is complete. To hug our own family, a moment so sweet. We go to our children, our loved ones will see, refreshed for the new year that's waiting for thee.